name is Kerry Coleman. I'm the bartender here at China Grill inside Mandalay Bay on the famous Las Vegas Strip. Today we're going to learn how to build the perfect pomegranate martini. We're going to build that in our shaker tin. So we're going to fill this with ice. We're going to use Grey Goose vodka, 2-ounce pour. We're going to use 1 ounce of palm liqueur. It's a pomegranate liqueur. Half ounce of Cointreau. Some fresh lemons. We're going to shake that up. And there you have it. Perfect pomegranate martini. Again, my name is Kerry Coleman. I'm the bartender here at China Grill. Stop by, I'd be happy to make that for you.